Now, with the presence of Google, many businesses have been able to reach a wider audience and attract more potential customers. And in this video, you will learn how to put your business on Google in a way that when people search for your business, they can easily find you right there, no matter the type of business you run. Without wasting much time, let's get right into it.
First, head over to your browser and type in Google Business Profile. Once the page loads up, click on this result right here. It's then going to take you directly to the Google Business Profile homepage. As you can see, I'm now on the homepage. So let's scroll through and take a quick look at how the page is laid out and what it looks like. After that, click on the Start Now button, and it's going to take you over to this page. Once you're here, go ahead and enter your business name. For this tutorial, I'll just type in Zion Trucks. Next, select your business category. For this example, I'll use Restaurant Supply Store. After that, click on Next to move to the next page. On this page, you'll be asked if you want to add a physical location, like a store or office where customers can visit. If you don't have a physical store, simply click on No. For this tutorial, I'll be clicking on Yes, since this is a restaurant business. After that, you'll be taken to the next page where you'll need to enter your business address details, including your country or region, your street address, your local government area, your city, your postal code, and your state. So I'll just go ahead and fill in mine. As you can see, I've successfully filled in my business address, so I'll just click on Next. Then it will bring you to this page where you'll need to confirm your address. If the address shown looks correct, simply select the first option and continue. But in my case, I don't really like the way it appears, so I'm going to adjust it. To do that, click on the This Doesn't Match option and then click Next. After that, you'll be taken to the Map section. Simply click on the Adjust button and drag the red location pin to the exact spot that matches your business location. You can also zoom in on the map for more accurate pinpointing. Then, click on Next. On this page, you'll be asked if you provide home or office deliveries. If you don't, simply click on No. But for this tutorial, I'll select Yes and click Next. After that, you'll be asked to add the areas you serve, which simply means the locations where you offer deliveries. Please note that this step is completely optional. As you can see, I don't really need to add any delivery areas right now, so I'll just skip this section. On this page, which is one of the most important parts, you'll need to add your contact details. This includes your phone number and a chat option, which can either be text messaging or WhatsApp. Please note that this section is also optional, but adding your contact details can make it easier for customers to reach your business. So I'll just go ahead and fill in mine. And you can also add your website if you already have one for your business. But if you don't have a website yet and you need one, simply comment website and I'll reach out to you. Then, after you have simply done that, click on Next. On this page, you will be asked if you want to get updates about your business, so you can just select Yes and click on Next. As you can see, your business has now been verified, so go ahead and click on Next. Here, you'll be asked to add your business hours, which means your opening days and times, as well as your closing days and times. So, let me quickly fill in mine. Alright, I've successfully filled in my business hours, so let's move on to the next part. On this page, you'll be asked to add your business description, so I'm just going to head over to Google Gemini and give it a prompt to generate one for me. Once it has successfully generated the descriptions, I'll simply copy the first one and paste it into the description box. So I will just make a few edits to make it match my brand and click Next. Over here, you will need to upload your storefront image, so I will just add this image and click Next. Here, you will need to add more photos of your store,
So I will upload these images. And please note that this is just for tutorial purposes and not necessarily what you will be using when doing yours. After that, select Next. And over here, you will be asked if you want these custom tools, which will probably make managing your business smoother, but they are paid. Since we don't need them, we will just skip this part. And congratulations! You've just registered your business on Google. Now, all you have to do is wait for Google to review and approve your application, which usually takes about 7 days. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead. And congratulations! You've just registered your business on Google. Now, all you have to do is wait for Google to review and approve your application, which usually takes about 7 days. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.